Here are the most underrated tips to excel in your work. Number one, pen and notes. This is the most important tools to taking down notes from your superior. You want to pass a message, you want to delegate. If you just listen, you didn't write down any notes. By the moment you transfer the message already gone. Pen and notes. Second tip is voice recording on your phone. If you tak sempat to record down all the notes, you can always record voice, like reporter, so you will not miss all the important points. Voice recorder, don't forget. Next tip is please book your me time in your own calendar, meaning other people see your day and particular time you really occupy, so you can do your own work. If not, you just firefighting, solve this issue, solve that issue. In the end, your own work apa pun tak buat. Next tip is if you prefer silent only can work, I suggest active noise cancellation headphone. Once you wear this, you only can focus. Assuming you can't leave your place or your workplace is very limited, active noise cancellation headphone or earphone. The final tip is this phone safe deposit. During very important meeting or training or special occasion, if your team unable to focus, buy this one, place into this lock, then only they can focus. This is very useful, trust me. Don't forget to like this video.